Staying safe online. What's cyber awareness? What risks are we facing online?
How aware are we of online threats and how to manage them?
Let's check in with our digital explorers. It looks like moving around in cyberspace is becoming second nature for many of us.
Meet my online alter ego, Super Marion!
So, what's your superpower?
It's more of a set of super skills. Here, I just earned a new one.
Safely navigating online environments is a constant learning process. We need to sharpen our cyber skills to stay safe. Here's what it takes to level up.
Kindness. Behave yourself in the online public space. Protecting other players' feelings gets you extra credit.
Wisdom. Think twice before sharing anything online, even if it's super fun.
Social skills. Stay cautious when meeting strangers, even those with awesome avatars. When you get bad vibes from a player, don't respond.
Magic key. Always keep your settings private.
Reverse gear. Landed in a suspicious-looking place? Get out of there fast.
Strength. Witness someone else getting into trouble? Get help.
Congratulations! You've reached the next level.
Cyber awareness skills are becoming as important as learning to read and write.
That's why the EU has included goals in the new EU cyber strategy, such as training and practical exercises, to protect its citizens and raise awareness.
So we can all share the responsibility of cybersecurity and protect each other on and offline.
If you enjoy our content, make sure you like our video
And subscribe to the Digital EU channel.